Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Huawei Mesh 3. First, connect the main router to your internet modem using an Ethernet cable. Then, plug in its power adapter and turn it on. Wait for the indicator light to show a steady green or blue color, indicating it's ready. This initial step is crucial for establishing your primary network connection. Ensure all cables are securely fastened for a smooth start. Next, download the Huawei AI Life app onto your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and follow the simple on-screen instructions to add your new Huawei Mesh device. You will then create a unique Wi-Fi name and a strong password for your new mesh network. This personalized setup ensures your network is secure and easily identifiable for all your devices. Now, it's time to expand your coverage. Place your satellite mesh units in areas of your home that need better Wi-Fi. Simply plug in their power adapters. These units are designed to automatically connect to your main router, creating a seamless, unified network. This extends your Wi-Fi signal across your entire home, eliminating dead zones. To optimize your network, ensure all mesh units are within an optimal range of each other, typically within 30 feet for best performance. Use the AI Life app to monitor your network status and connected devices. Also, try to place units away from large metal objects or major appliances, which can interfere with the signal. This ensures you get the best possible Wi-Fi experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.